If your Toyota RAV4 just won't start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue we can diagnose together. Statistically, 85% of no-start calls for the RAV4 are traced back to the battery or its connections. Let us break down the exact process to identify your specific failure point. Start by checking your battery voltage, tightening those terminal clamps, and ensuring your key fob isn't the hidden culprit. If the battery is fine, look at the ground strap, the starter solenoid, or the neutral safety switch. You can handle the basics in your driveway, but leave complex starter or alternator work to a professional mechanic. Costs vary widely, but a simple battery swap is much cheaper than replacing the starter motor. If you're comfortable with tools, use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to pinpoint the exact electrical fault. Keep a basic 10mm wrench and a wire brush handy for these quick diagnostic steps. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and using jack stands if you need to access the starter. Remember, proactive maintenance on your electrical connections will keep your RAV4 starting reliably for years. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car repair guides.